What's going on, guys? As you can see, it's a nice snowy day here at Forbes Toyota. As you can see, this is my nice beautiful demo. You're looking at a XLE premium 2019 RAV4. Got the nice aluminum alloys, LED turn signals, got blind spot monitoring, you got factory tinted windows. So I'm just gonna do a quick review, guys. Later on, I'm gonna be doing a more in-depth review of my demo, but as you can see, you got keyless entry, push start. Got a nice display right here with built-in Apple CarPlay as well. As you can see, these are the different modes. Normal, Eco, Sport. It changes here. You also got a snow mode as well. You got mud and sand, rock and dirt. Got your controls here, volume, voice command, back. You got your pre-collision sensors, your lane assist, different modes here to listen, switching your songs, as well as adaptive cruise control here. With this package, you also get nice memory seats. This is a nice feature. You know, some of our clients actually always ask about having memory seats, so it's actually a nice feature. As you can see, it's very spacious, very open concept. Another thing that I do really love about my Toyota RAV4 is this extra window space that they added here. So what they did is they shifted it from here. Instead of covering this area here, they moved the mirror down a little bit and out, and they actually were able to add in this little glass piece here. And just because of this glass piece, believe it or not, the amount of visibility you get is amazing. So when you're backing out, you're trying to get in between spaces in your parking lot, it's definitely handy. As you can see, we have dual climate control here, so you get different settings here for a person beside you as well. You got your heated seats here, you got a charging port, you got some storage space here. If you went with the limited package, it actually gives you wireless charging in this section here, which is pretty nice. You got rear heated glass and a rear power tailgate as well with this package. Let's go outside. So you got nice LED strip here. These are nice LED lights here, with your standard turn signals. You got your proximity sensor here, which is nice for all your pre-collision sensors, as well as your lane assist camera at the front of the windshield. You also get nice fog lights on this package. Once you go with the XLE Premium, it gives you these nice aluminum alloy rims, which are really attractive and are only available for XLE Premium packages as well as the limited. Oh. She's locking up. Moving forward, this is the nice back seats. You get these nice sporty leather, synthetic leather seats here, which obviously are adjustable. With this package, you also get a nice lumbar support, which is really nice for people that want that extra sense of comfort. You can change it from here as well. You got this nice leather stitching it's just a really nice surface material. Moving on to the back, you get some nice LED strip lights. It's been fully redesigned, as well as LED license plate lights. Once again, power tailgate. Really nice and handy. You also get a nice feature here where if someone gets in the way for safety reasons, you just put it in, it stops. So that's really nice. It won't go all the way, it won't crush anyone, so it's more for safety, which is always great. As you can see, I got a few things here in the back, but you got a nice tonneau cover with this package as well. You get your 60/40 split as well. Yeah, this one of the nice features I love about the new RAV4 as well. I got a few stuff here, so I'm just gonna try and show you a bit. So here, this part is actually reversible, and you can actually just gonna move all these carpet from the factory. But yeah, so one of the nice things about the RAV4 is that they thought ahead and they said, you know what, let's make the best of what we have, and let's give our customers a little bit more versatility, more options, right? So this is actually reversible. So if you want to protect this part, you actually get this nice rougher material, which is good for like moving things. So if you go to like Home Hardware, or if you're going to Rona or Lowe's or Home Depot, and you're carrying certain things that you don't want it to damage your nice new RAV, you got this nice material here that will protect it, and it gives you a little bit more grip. But you know what, Toyota thought even more ahead. They said, why don't we give them that extra inch for the same space? So all you got to do is push it in, lift it, push it in, and then it goes all the way down. So you get that extra inch space here, which helps you with height as well. So definitely nice feature. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very quick, very you know, not so much in detail. But if you guys want me to do another detailed video of this of my demo, I can definitely do that for you. Comment below if you guys want to see more videos. If there's any other vehicle reviews that you want me to do, I'd be more than happy to do it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be definitely posting more videos of these, so I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks so much for watching.